So this is the pound yen analysis for Tuesday, the 10th of April. Now let's have a look at the price, where price may likely go. So here on the pound yen, we are seeing this continued recovery here on the pound yen. We've had prices come up towards this 51.25, and we've had a brief pullback, not quite down towards our 50.56. We've now had a break of that 51.25, so we found resistance, brief break. We weren't able to hold on to the level, and we weren't able to hold on to the level. And again, we've seen a break of the level. So if we continue to hold this 51.25, we're then looking for price to progress towards that 152 level, to see if we do find resistance in around 152. It is a minor level, but we'll see if we find resistance around 52. Successful break from which we're looking for this major level of the 52.85, which we'd expect to be the far end of the range here. But if we do see sufficient volatility, 53.41 may come into focus. Those are pretty much levels that we are looking for to the upside. Similarly to the downside, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present or from 52, we'll see whether 51.25 does hold a support for another move upwards. If we're not able to hold 51.25, we're then looking for price to progress down towards our 50.56. And again, here around our 50.56, suppose we could trade below the 50.56. Beyond 50.56, we're looking for prices to head down towards that the very next major level here. If a breakdown from 150.56 is a move down towards that 149.78, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing a move to the upside from this 149.78. Now, I would expect 149.78 to be the far end of the range here to the downside, and if we do see sufficient volatility, I suppose we could head down towards that 149.50, where we do have that 400 period moving average. We'll have a brief look here at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the pound yen, and on the daily chart we can see this continued recovery here on the pound yen. So we've had this consolidative move to the upside, which appeared weak, had a brief pullback down towards the 200 period now, which held as support, and we've seen this pretty consistent progression here, a consistent bullish progression here to the upside on the pound against the yen. With that said, that wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.